Alright guys, we're back at the door right here at Lake Champion, Glen Spey, New York. And we're gonna film the vending machine once again and get that same drink, Dasani water. Now I don't know why this ends up being the only vending machine I actually ever filmed. For some reason, I particularly like this one. Last time I filmed this was in 2016. Man, is it hot in here. So yeah, there's your drink options. I'm actually getting ready to go to bed. And I usually drink a water when I roll to bed. So, if you put in 25, I'll tell you the price. Now, you insert your bills. Yeah, I don't really film the machine that much, but for some reason I've always liked this one. I guess you'll see why in a second. Yeah, I can get this in. These things are finicky. You know what? This stinking bill will not go in there, so we're gonna go back to the room and hope we can actually get a proper bill. So I'm gonna go back to my room where my wallet is. Try this again. Hopefully this will work this time. Yes, we went all the way downstairs just to get a different dollar bill. Let's hope no one else used the machine. Good. Let's see if this one works. This is more like I'm trying to fight with a vending machine on money video. You know what? I think it's jammed. I think this is jammed. So the $1, I put $1 in here, now this one won't go through. Yeah, guess what? It's jammed. No matter how many times I put this in, it's not taking it. And I feel something over right there. Alright, let's do this again. It's more like a vending machine fail video. Let's hope I have some quarters in it. Guess what? I don't. It really is an epic fail video. Alright, we just have to keep battling this at this point. What ended up happening to being a 2-minute video is now a 3-minute video. I still haven't gotten my drink. Let's try this again. There we go. Here we go. 2.5. Watch this. What do you mean $2? I just put in $2. What? I just put in $2. Oh, come on. This is an epic fail. I just wasted money on this. Oh, at least this works. Alright, let's do it in quarters then. At least that button works. Alright, here we go. 4 minutes already. 5. Actually, I'll let you see that work. Okay, so 5. This is so weird. A vending machine epic fail video. What? 15 of 40? I guess that was a 45. This is such a weird video I'm making. When I went to Lake Champion in 2016, it wasn't nearly as amusing. 90 cents. Oh, come on. And that's still not enough. Okay. What a video this is. I mean, come on. This has got to be the most epic fail vending machine video I've ever made. This vending machine's killing me here. You saw I put in $2 bills, right? It still didn't take it. This is jammed again. Boy. Just wow. This thing used to be so nice. It was working fine last night. Still don't get the deal here. Huh. This vending machine's working funky. Like it took $2 bills. And then she thought I only put one in, and then now this thing won't let me put dollar bills in. Do you know if there's any way to get close to it? Yeah, I think it keeps jamming itself.
Yeah, I don't think it's working.
Yeah. You know what I'm gonna have to do? I'm just gonna have to get my from another one. Thank you anyway, man.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do this all over again. So you know what we're gonna do? Walk outside for a drink. So let's go get our shoes on. You know, I want to wear shoes. I thought I was gonna be inside the building. Yes, I'm gonna wear Crocs even though it's like 50 degrees outside. I'm sorry, I'm just tired. I need a drink. Oh, by the way, there's the fireplace area. This is the Stone Ridge building. Yeah, it's not that bad out here. There should be a vending machine right out over there. Yes, it's dark right now. It's like 10:30 at night. There's the building, Stone Ridge. Now I'm coming out all the way outside for a drink of water. Great, that vending machine might not even be turned on, which means I'll have to go all the way to the game room, Millbrook. Guess what? This one's defunct. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video. Actually, maybe not. Now we're going all the way across Lake Champion for a drink of water. Can't see much right now because it's dark. I guess we'll pause the video until we get to the game room. There's the chapel right there. That building all the way to the far left is the game room, where there's vending machines, and hopefully we can get a glass of water, or a bottle of water in this case. Almost there. I guess it's fair to say this has turned into a quest of finding a bottle of water from a properly working vending machine. So here's Millbrook Game Room at Lake Champion. There's 2 vending machines in here. Let's see if any of them work. Very crowded right now, but go. Let's try this again. 11 through 18. That was a $1 coin. Look at that. Now the $1 bill. There we go. Now selection, I think I'll do lucky 13. Here we go. Oh, I see, I got it from 15. Because it's the same thing. Finally got a Dasani water. There's my extra change. And you know what? Time to call it a night, everybody. Going back to the dorm now. Thank you for watching this adventure of finding a vending machine to get a Dasani water. And that's it.